So hello and welcome to my latest video. My name is Anita Wong and I'm a digital visibility strategist and digital tech coach. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an overlay for your live streams using Canva Pro. So you do have to be on the Canva Pro option in order to be able to download a PNG file from your Canva account with a see-through background. So the easiest thing for me to do is to jump into the Canva Editor and show you exactly how to do this. But before I do that, I just wanted to remind you that if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to it. And if you're back watching another video, then don't forget to give me the thumbs up and subscribe as well. If you want more than just the ad hoc video to help you grow your business, then I do have a Digital Lab and Tech School Academy, which is where you'll learn all about the things that I'm showing you on YouTube, but even more. Plus, you'll get the opportunity to ask me questions and talk to me live in a group setting. You'll also get access to multiple marketing courses and YouTube courses. And of course, everything is in one place for you to be able to find and answer those questions. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into the Canva editor and show you how to create a overlay for your live stream that you can use whilst live streaming that allows you to be seen in the background. So here we are inside of Canva, and the first thing we want to do is to choose a YouTube thumbnail template, because that is going to be the perfect size for our live stream overlay. So we're going to go create a design, and we're just going to pop in here YouTube, and it should bring up. So then we're going to go down and choose YouTube thumbnail. So now that you've got your plain design, you need to just add the features that you want to overlay your live stream. So over here, I've got an example of one that I created earlier. So this has got my logo in the top left, and it's got my name and my title with a background color. Now, what this will do is when I take this out of Canva, I can overlay it over my live stream and it won't block me. And the reason it won't block me is because I'm going to download this with a transparent background. Now, when you click the transparent background option, what it's going to do is it's only going to download the visible areas of my document, and all of the white space is going to be see-through when I put it into my studio. Now, as you can see, the transparent background option is a pro feature, so you will need to be on the pro plan in order to have this. But let's just quickly show you how you can create one of these yourself. So we've gone in and we've selected the YouTube style template, which has given us a plain background. So all we need to do now is, if you haven't got a logo or you need a logo, you can add your logo in, and you can find your logos by going to your logo option in your brand area down here. So I'm just going to grab my logo here, and then I'm going to just make it smaller and bring it up into the screen. So now that you've positioned the logo where you want it, all you need to do then is to write your name. So what I would do then is I'd go to text and I would choose my normal font. So I would put my name in my normal font and I would write it in here. And then I would position that down the bottom here on the left, like so. Now, also, I probably want to have my title. So I'm going to lift this up a little bit so that I've got space to have my title under here. Canva's quite carefully given you a space. Like when you go here, you can see you've got like this border. So if you try to keep everything inside that border, when it's on the live stream, it's going to be in the central part for people to see. So I'm just going to lift that up a little bit, and then I'm going to put my subheading in here, and I'm going to just drag that along, and I'm going to write. And then I'm going to just position that. I'm going to make this go to the left, and I'm going to position that down here like so. And I'm going to put a background. So I want to get an element, and I'm going to go for a square, and I'm going to bring that down to fit behind my writing like so. And then I can move my writing a little bit more into the center, shrink that down, shrink the box down as well, so it all fits nicely. Then all I need to do now is click the download button, make sure I have a transparent background on, click download, and wait for it to download to my computer. And then I'm going to open that up and I'm going to show you what it looks like. And as you can see here, what I've done is I've uploaded the overlay into my live streaming tool here, and I've added it to my overlay. So if I just remove that from here now, I can add it on. And as you can see, the white area that was on the live stream has now become opaque. So I hope you've enjoyed that video all around creating a see-through transparent overlay for your videos. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below this video. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up if you've loved this video, and please subscribe to my channel as well. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.